everyone, welcome to Nomad Outside the Box. Today I'm going to do an inspirational video about what is my life philosophy when I have to take a hard decision. I just want to let you know, if you're thinking of harming yourself in any way or harming others, this is not for you. I urge you to go find help. Just know that you are never alone. There's family and friends, and if you're not well surrounded, there are organizations that can help you out. So what is my life philosophy? This has to do with why I decided to go on this adventure to Costa Rica and Colombia, but it also has to do with my nomad lifestyle and where I'm at today in my life. I decided to do this video because when I arrived to downtown Montezuma hostel in Montezuma, Costa Rica, I saw all those beautiful inspirational signs from all over the world. And it really inspired me to do a sign of my own with my life philosophy. I couldn't put the full thing on the wood, so I made a basic version of it and I will explain today the full idea more in detail. When I have a really hard decision to take in life and I can't choose what to do, I always ask myself one single thing. If I was to die tomorrow and I wouldn't have chosen to do that thing, would I regret not doing it? If the answer is yes, I would regret not doing it. I do it. It's not a question, I just go for it. And it seems extreme saying it like that, but it's in the most extreme decisions that we actually follow our instincts. So if it's a now or never decision, then you remove all that is doubtful and then you actually go for the option that's good for you. I know it's never ever black and white when you have to take a hard decision, but the heart and the soul know the answer. It's the head that tries to protect you from the unknown and tries to fight to keep you in your comfort zone. But following your heart will always be the good answer, always. And if you do it and it fails, so what? You will have learned and grown from it, and I guarantee you're gonna move on after that and it's gonna be fine. If fear is taking control over your mind, just know that life is short and you never know. Bad things can happen anywhere in the world, even in your city or your town. Remember all the time that you thought of the worst that could happen. And now think about the number of times the worst actually happened. Yeah, 99.9% of the time, it doesn't happen. The fear of fear or the fear of the worst can take power over the brain. But remember, the worst that can happen is actually a rare thing. So don't stop yourself from living your life. In fact, you should do the opposite. You should actually make the most out of your life. Otherwise, you will always wonder and regret not living to your fullest potential and will never feel truly complete. I hear a lot of people telling me, yeah, but if you travel, aren't you afraid of being stuck in a bomb attack or something? And I'm like, well, aren't you afraid of getting hit by a car if you cross a street in your neighborhood? You never know what can happen, anywhere. So don't let fear control your decisions. Just go for life and enjoy the most out of it. Sometimes our decisions can be silly things for other people, and for us it's a really big deal. We can't figure it out, and sometimes the people that love us the most want to protect us, and then they're gonna try to dissuade us from taking a decision that might be out of the norm or out of the social convention, and because that's what they know, and the unknown is really scary. So even if your head is doubting and is giving you shit and is trying to give you all the reasons why you shouldn't do it, stop yourself, remove those doubts from your head, and then if you ask your heart and your heart wants to do it, then go for it. That's why I made this sign. When in doubt, follow your heart. If you have a really hard decision to take right now, just ask yourself, okay, if you die tomorrow, will you regret not doing it? If the answer is yes, I urge you to take that decision to do it, because it's gonna change your life for the better, so just follow it. You have the power to make beautiful, life-changing decisions for yourself. You have the power to break patterns that you never knew could be breakable. I know every person's different. I know every experiences in life are different. But know that there is always a way towards happiness. It might not be easy, but there's always a way. If you can't think of any solution to your problem, think outside the box, outside the conventional norms, outside what everyone else would do. Create your own opportunities and think about creative solutions, because the ways to get to a goal can be endless. Thank you so much for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope if you have a really big decision, I hope it's gonna help you. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.
Yeah, get it.
Wow, sorry about that.